Now let's change the colors of the parts for performing the rendering operation in Onshape. Okay, let's switch the part studio. I just want to hide the whole sketches. Okay, now let's hit the appearances of the part. I'm just going to give yellow color, or else you can give whatever the color you want. Okay, press the edit of this part and let's give orange. Both two colors, it's not a good fit, I think. Let's give white. Yep. Okay, now they're working good. Is this white or speaking? Okay, you can give whatever the color you want, okay, guys. Let's assembly. Now, on the plus button, you can see the render studio. Here you will get the render studio operation like this. So whatever you need to do is, let's create a scene. Click on create. We need to create a scene for the assembly. So click on the assembly and keep it as auto for now and click create. So it will prepare the rendering scene to our part. Okay, so we just have to wait, and here we go. We got loaded the scene design. You can see this is the scene graph, this is the materials available, and this is our parts, and this is our part which we design. This is the preview and rendering view. Okay, this is the render studio, guys. You can see the view on scene graph materials like this. Now let's apply the materials to it. So first of all, I need the paint. Here you can see the appearance library. You can search whatever material you want. I just want the plastic material, and you can see we have several plastic materials like this. Metal, something yellow, body yellow, metallic, plastic red. You can search how many materials you want. Okay, let's give, I just want to give the metallic lemon plastic. Okay, so for applying the materials, we need to follow some keys. If you want to apply material to the part, press Alt key and drag and drop the part. Okay, or if you want to apply to the only face, then you can press Alt plus Shift key and drag the material. You can see here the only face is got applied. So we need to apply for the materials. So I'm just going to press Alt key and apply the materials to the bodies. And apply to the all parts. Oh, why is not get selected? Because of the face. Now I want to apply this face as well. So I need a white. So we got a white plastic as well. Just get into the view, press Alt key, press drag button plus Alt key and apply to it. Turn the parts. select the material, press Alt key and apply to the patch. Now it's successfully applied the material. Just get to the isometric view, empty window. Let's undo this operation. Let's just drop you. Here you can see the view. Okay. You can just set the views you want. This is the rendering view of the patch, and you can also apply environment library as well. Here we have different libraries. Just for example, I just want to give a plain background. Let's start with a plain. If it's not available, just you can search what are the plain you want. Okay. Like I just want. I don't know. You can add. These are just like a pictures, guys. So if you can drop it like this, so it will apply lighting. If you want to apply lighting in background, apply only lighting. So it is also approved. Let's click on apply lighting. So only the lighting will be affected. If you want to apply background as well, and this is type. So just like images like this. So like this, you can change the background. Or if you don't want to work with this background animations, you can even change the right click on here. You can see the background, click on it. So here you can get the pop-up and click on enable background. So here you can set the image as well as you can set the reflect background, so it will get reflection as a point. Okay, this is the solid color as these are the images. If you want to add images, you can also add from the okay, click on the depth field, so it will show the depth field how you want. Okay, just under this operation, and this is the rendering. And you can also get the different types of views here, like a photoreal, stylist review. So in the color drawing, see, this drawing, this is the drawing views, but we don't want the drawing views one. So now, if you want to change the realistic settings, just click on the part where you can see the appearance settings like this. The appearances, projector, optimization. Right here, you can also do editings as per you want. Okay. So once you have completed the rendering settings, if you want a rendering operation, you can see Onshape icon. Click on the drag button. You can see render to Onshape, render disk. Disk means it is going to show in your system. And if you want to in Onshape itself, click on the render on Onshape. And we have the quality as well. Custom preview, medium of production, and get to production for the pattern probably, and click on render. So it will take some time for performing the rendering. Once you have done the rendering operation, you can see the completed 868 iterations, and we almost take 1 minute 13 seconds. Okay, if you want to do render, you can do the same rendering again. So and I close this window. Here you can see the new tab image of it. So click on the image and see. This is our rendering output of our parts or model that we have rendered in Onshape. So this is the parts. For now, we are going to only get the images of the renderings. Okay, and this is just like a professional one. Even if you want the more rendering or more rendering output, like a more output like a quality materials, you just need to upgrade the render studio. From there you can get a better views. So that's all about today's topic, guys. If you really like our content, if you really like your video, understand what are the how to design this fidget spinner and also how to work with the render studio, you can just please do like, share and comment in our channel, and also please do subscribe our channel, guys. It's really helpful for me, and thanks for watching.